Hello, today, to a brand new video. Today, I'm like GB again, figure out what the hell I want to turn on this time. So I did a practice on the computer that I usually do. I did it for myself. And it was great. I put it back to the rim, upgraded it later on. It worked just fine for a while. Well, once ago, I've been busy and other shit to do. Months ago, I tried to turn it on and it was just dead. And before that was where I plugged in, I have this all-in power strip. I plugged in the power strip and it allowed a stitching noise. It also allowed it to go really high pitched, almost feedback sounding noise. Now, the speakers of the computer, I don't know. But I turned off the speakers, plugged it back in, and it worked fine. I plugged it for the power strip, so I know what the hell it was. So it goes this thing blowing up, between the speakers, I don't know. So I just unplug and plug it in, turn on the power strip, and see what happens, and hopefully it doesn't blow up my face. But it may just turn on again for no reason. It might be dead. For me, I don't know. Let's see what happens. I'm plugging first. I believe the power strip's turned off still. So. Yeah, it still is. So this one turned on, so here bong, it's probably this one, not that one. Let's see what happens. Alright. That one did start it too. Alright. Why does that? I have no idea. No. Oh. You know, I kinda changed it. I literally kinda just fucking changed it. Ah, screw that. I'm not flashlight, forgot. This one not working anymore. The card on it. It really just, before I hit it, it was dark as can be. And that starts right out. I mean, I get it, sometimes you have that. It's not the first time I've done it previously, and suddenly it just works again. I'm glad to see it working on this. I know the screen's getting smaller, or it's... Yeah, I do gotta say, the CRT is like a little, like, well, I can kind of fix this up, I don't know. The CRT needs to adjust it more, but I'm not touching the CRT, they're not fucking well. I know, it works fine now. If I let it die, and now it works just fine. Well, I'll be on dread the image of my repair. I said some words on without it, and it works. No, it just fixed it somewhere, just. I said CT were crooked though now, I think. I don't think it was before. It might be, I don't think it was. I think the CT did adjusted. It's crooked. I'm not taking part of it. I know fucking about. So, yeah, it works. Alright. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I don't know if that was not the good. I was gonna fix it, and it just fixed itself. I'm not complaining, but I kind of don't see fun. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed that video.